In this video, I will be sharing the MelodySusie 2-in-1 nail art desk lamp, and curing lamp. And MelodySusie has never come out with anything like this, so I'm pretty excited to be able to share this one with you. We're going to take it out of the box and I'll explain everything, what it includes, how it works, all the modes. It's pretty exciting. If you guys are looking for a good bright light for your nail desk or even for your room, this is the one for you. So let's get into it. So before I open it, on the box it says it has 3 lighting combinations. It has 3 color temperatures. It has stepless timing and an adjustable swing arm. So it's got a lot of features on it, and the box, beautiful packaging again. I'm just going to open it up here. It looks like the bottom is where you open it. I'm just going to move my camera a little different so it's above it instead of kind of looking on like this. So inside the box, we've got some nice packaging to keep it safe and so it doesn't get marked up. The box is in perfect shape. Oh, love this. There's some installation steps. So it looks like there's a little bit to the installation of this lamp. So I will probably do that off camera, or I can show you. We can do it together. But it's nice it comes with this. It's very, very clear and very easy to understand, which is nice. So here's the light. As you can see, it's packaged very well. MelodySusie always packages everything nice and secure, which is really good. So it looks like it comes with the SPro29G 2-in-1 nail art desk lamp instruction manual. So it tells you everything about it. I'll explain more about the light and the modes and the color modes and everything else as I get up and running. So I'm going to pull everything out of the box and then we'll see how to put it together. And I should show you here, I pulled off that one layer and there's the base below. It's packaged well also. And it's very, very heavy. So it's really made well. This is extremely heavy. It's not going to go anywhere. So that tells me right now it's good quality. Okay, I'm going to pull everything out and then we'll look at the instructions. This is also made very well. It's heavy. And there's the little tools that came with it and the screws. And there's the power cord. There's the light itself, really nice. Okay, let's look at the instructions. So first of all, it says, we'll go to step 1. So step 1, install the base support. And step 2, tighten the internal hexagon screws on the base. So I'm going to take this piece, I'm going to open it up. And this is going to go on here, it looks like. There we go, just like that. And now I'm just going to get the screws put in. So the screws are going to go right here. So I'm just going to grab those out. And it has the tools, so I can use that to screw them in. It's really easy. It's going in nicely. There's one, two more to go. One more, and then I'll tighten them all. You can do it this way too. I think the other way is a little easier though. This light is going to go perfect on my desk because I have everything white, and I love the white because it doesn't show the nail dust. Okay, that one's tight. Now I'm going to tighten the rest. You want to make sure it's tight because the arm is really heavy. It's made well, and you want to make sure it's in there good. Tight. One more. And tight. So I'm just going to bring the camera up close so you can see what I did. So the screws are in there, which is perfect. So now I'll bring it back so you can see what I'm doing better. Okay, so that was step one. Step two was tightening them. Step three, insert the lamp head into the arm. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to bring this up. And I'm going to bring this down so hopefully you guys can see. So it's not going to be angled like this when it's done, but I'm just doing that right now so I can show you on camera a little bit. Bring it up just a little bit so you guys can see. It just goes in like that. Tighten the internal hexagon screw to secure the lamp head into place. I'm just going to check to see where that is. There's a screw that goes, one of these goes up there, so I'm going to do that right now. So it's just going to keep that head from falling out, obviously. It's in there nice and tight now with the screw. Just tightening it up. Okay, it's good. So step 5 is insert the Type-C cable into the lamp head, which would be this. So I'm going to flip it here so you can see. So it is going to go right here. I hope you can see that the way I'm doing it. And it's in there, just like that. And then that is it. It looks like I think we've got it all together. I'm actually going to change the way we're looking at this light so you can see better. So before I get started on sharing the light, how it works and everything that's with it, I'm just going to plug it in. So I plugged the cord, the power cord in, and now I'm just going to show you. It just goes right back here, and it's plugged in now. And I'm going to take a better look at it. I don't have it exactly where I would have it when I'm going to be using it on clients, but because I do want to show you it. Okay, so I am just going to look at exactly how to use this, and we're going to figure it out together. So this has 3 joint adjustment arms. So these arms right here, they're all able to move up and down. You can see that. This one as well, and this one as well too. So that's nice. You can move it to where you need it to go for photos or anything like that. You can have it up higher if need be. It's very nice looking. I love it already just looking at it. So it has a really neat feature as well. It has a little UV LED light, and this one has a magnetic charging port right here on it. So I'll put it on to show you. I'm just gonna stick it on there. It just goes like that. Magnet grabs it right away. That's a really neat feature. So of course it has an inward curved head focused LED bead, and this is a light right here. I'll explain that better when I get to it. It has adjustable joints, which I just talked about. It has a sturdy base, which it is very, very sturdy. I love it. And the built-in magnetic charging port, which we just talked about. So it has 3 color temperatures. So we're gonna try it out. So on the back here, this is your color temperatures right here. So this would be this one, and this is your mode. That's your button for your mode. And then this is to turn it on and to turn it off. And we're just gonna try it out. I'm gonna put it to the side so we can see the light itself. I do have my light on above. I may turn that off at some point because I just wanted to show you this with some light. So first of all, okay, so we're gonna turn it on and see how bright this is. As you can see, that is very bright. I will turn off my other light now so we can check out the light without my other light on above. And of course, I don't have a light above my camera, so it's gonna seem a little darker. And I love it how you can move this. Okay, so I'm not sure what we're on. We're just gonna figure it out. So you can set your preferred color temperature, which is the one button. So there we go. So there is, like I said before, we've got warm light, which is the first one I had it on. And then we've got the neutral white, which is this one. You can see the difference. And then we've got the cold white, which is really bright. This is probably the one I would have it on when working on clients. But the neat thing about this, it has a spotlight that you can actually have just a light coming down on one area. If you're working on detailed art or a picture, you want the light right on something. Well, that's what this is for. I will show you here. So see the spotlight below? I'm just going to move this. So there is the spotlight right there. And that comes from that one area. Turn it off. So you can turn the actual light off and just have the spotlight. Pretty neat, right? Or you can have the light on and still have the spotlight. So there's everything's on together with the spotlight. Spotlight is off, just the light. Now just the spotlight. And now everything's on together again. So that's a really neat feature. So I'm just going to turn that spotlight off. And then of course you have your different temperatures, which I already showed you. There's the warm white, the neutral white, and the cold white. What a neat light. I love it. I love the fact that it can move across my desk. I would put it back further and then use it on a client. I'm going to show you again so you can see better. So there is the cold white. There's that warm light, and there's that neutral white. Cold white, warm white, and neutral white. There's the cool white again. Now I'll show you the spotlight. There's the spotlight, you can see it there. There's the whole light on. There's just the light on, and there is just the spotlight on. Just wanted to show you better. So I'm going to put it back now, and I'm going to find out about this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now with this, it says to turn on the UV lamp, press the power button for 1 to 2 seconds. So we'll do that. And now it's showing green. The default mode will power it on, and it is a 30-second, indicates by a green light. To turn the lamp off, press and hold the power button for 1 to 2 seconds. So there it is. You can see it's working now. It turned blue under there. So after turning on the UV lamp, insert your finger into the machine. The UV lamp will light up while your finger is inside. When you remove your finger, the UV lamp will turn off. And it did. So alternatively, the lamp will automatically turn off when the set time limit is reached. So there we go, on. And if I left it there, it would go for the full 30 seconds or 60 seconds. Press the power button on the UV lamp to switch between 30 and 60 second mode. In 60 second mode, the indicator light is blue. So this is green, so this is 30 seconds. Can you see the green on there? I can bring it up closer a little bit for you, just so you can see that better. So it's on blue. So this is the 60-second mode. And you can see there it is green, so it is the 30-second mode. So 60 seconds, and I'll put my finger in, it's 60, so it'll count for 60 seconds. And if I pull my finger out, it'll go off. And the green, again, 30 seconds. If I pulled my finger out, it would come off. So that's really neat. Nice to have that little light on there as well. And there was turning off the light and turning it back up. You can get a brighter or dimmer when you're doing that, you can see. So off, turning it on. So a few things about the light that I'm reading in the book. When you first turn on the device, the main light will illuminate in cold white by default. To adjust the color temperature, simply touch the color temperature key. Touch it once to switch to warm white. Touch it again for neutral white, and touch it a third time to return to cold white. When powered on, after shutting down the color temperature, before shutting down, it will memorize after restarting. So that's nice. So whatever one you had it on, it will memorize that color. So I'm going to move the light back a bit, and I will show you how far it can reach onto my desk, because here is my MelodySusie dust collector. My client sits there. I wouldn't have it quite this close, so I would bring it back. And here is where this is nice, because this can reach still far enough. And I can bring it up higher. And then it still fits perfect. So that's going to work really well. I'm going to be using it because I really want to try it out and see if I like it better than the light I'm using now. It's a beautiful light. It's very sturdy. It's made very well. I love the fact that it has the little UV LED light on it. The base is just really, really heavy, so it's not going to fall over at all. I love the different settings of the colors of the light. And there's the brightest one right there. I hope you can tell. I'm going to turn my light off again here. This is actually very bright under here, which is nice. It's funny how it makes my camera look blue. So there are the different settings. That one's the brightest. That one's very bright. And of course, then you've got your spotlight you can see here. And if I wanted to bring the spotlight over, I could just do it like that. And I could even move it in if I wanted, but as you can see, it's a nice spotlight. So I think that's pretty much everything I need to tell you about this light. It's pretty darn amazing. I'm really glad MelodySusie came out with this light. I don't think I've seen anybody come out with anything quite like this. It's so nice. I'll have the links for this light down in the description of this video so you can find it easily. So right now you can get this lamp 50% off because it's MelodySusie's 16th anniversary. If you watched my previous video, which is in the top right hand corner, where I shared their limited edition nail gel box, I shared that it was their anniversary and that they were having a sale right now. So definitely check out the link that I'll have below so that you can find it. And I want to thank MelodySusie for sponsoring this video. If you like the lamp, please let me know in the comments if you're thinking about buying it. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see everybody in the next one.